Hi and hello everybody, welcome back to another Railfan JD video, and in today's video, this will be Trains of Summer Volume 1. We start off this video in Crescent, Pennsylvania, and here we see NS-245, an intermodal train from Staten Island, New York to Sandusky, Ohio. It operates Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays and works Rutherford, Pennsylvania. After a little while, and the day of the big boy, we went to McDonald's for breakfast. Had my scanner on and heard something coming. Went outside and of course forgot my phone in the restaurant. And saw 108 leading Amtrak 48 past Northeast Pennsylvania. Here are my pictures of it that I got on my camera as I had it around my neck at the time. The first train we would see at Bort Road would be CSX train I-020, Bedford Park, Illinois to Worcester, Massachusetts, intermodal loads, hauling butt past Bort Road. It's not an S. Today's I-020 is led by CSX 7591, a CM44AH rebuilt for CSX just a few years ago, and was rebuilt just down the tracks a few miles in Erie, Pennsylvania at the Wabtec plant, which we have also visited on this channel before.
Doing 25 mile an hour through your hole, sorry, over.
Hey, roger that. Good readback. Authorized at 10:51.
Roger that. 10:51. Have a good day.
Thanks, Phil.
This is CSX I-104 from Bedford Park, Illinois to South Kearney, New Jersey, and is a daily intermodal train. Today's train is led by yet another CM44AH, numbered 7431, which was recently rebuilt at GE's plant just down the tracks. This is CSX M428, daily manifest from Detroit, Michigan to Selkirk, New York. This is NS 061, or Big Boy, Union Civic 4014 on its coast to coast tour. I'll be showing you all 3 different angles: mine, my dad's, and my mom's. Enjoy.
There it is.
Me and my dad the next day woke up at buku early to go up to Buffalo to see it on static display. When we got there, there was already a lot of people. Crazy experience, and I'll show you some clips from it. I got to see both UP and NS 1776 start up, and they even fired up Big Boy, and we're blowing its whistle like crazy.
Because it had to be close to this deal, right?
Both of them started. Yo. Also, can't forget, they had NS 1066, the New York Central Heritage Unit, also on display at the event. We are currently chasing CSX IO-17-10, headed from Park, Illinois to Worcester, Massachusetts. This train is led by Givos, and me and my dad decided to chase it on Broadway Road in Buffalo. The next train we would come across is CSX M42910. Building its train at its stop in Buffalo, this train originates in Selkirk, New York, and goes to Detroit, Michigan. Today's train is led by a dying breed, a YN2 AC44, number 410. While M429 was doing its thing, Amtrak PO64, coming out of Buffalo and arriving at Buffalo DP Station, passed by Frontier Yard, making some noise along the way. CSX train M561 from Selkirk, New York to Cincinnati, Ohio. It was stopped over here because M429 was still working the yard and their train was occupying the yard lead, where M561 also had to stop in Buffalo and get some cars. So M561 was told to wait outside the yard until M429 finished his work. As we see, today's train is led by CSX 851, a Tier 3, ES44, built for CSX in around the 2012-2010 era. We would stick around this spot for a minute as we could see a high green on track 1. All of a sudden I heard a defect detector on the scanner, which meant the train was coming. The train on track 1 was I-009-10, intermodal from Port Newark, New Jersey to Bedford Park, Illinois, with an amazing crew at the helm. I want to thank all you for watching this video, and I hope to see you all real soon out there on the high island.